How to withdraw money from Hamster Combat. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to withdraw money from your Hamster Combat account. So first of all, in order to withdraw money from your Hamster Combat, you need to have Hamster Combat in your mobile device installed particularly. And along with Hamster Combat, you should also have Townkeeper account in your mobile device. So first of all, just simply go to your Play Store or your App Store, and over here on the search bar, just simply search for Hamster Combat. And when you search for it, you will see that there is no such application called Hamster Combat in your Play Store or your App Store available as of now. So in order to install the Hamster Combat app, you just have to download the Telegram app in your mobile device, and after that just simply open your Telegram account. And after opening your Telegram account, just simply go to the search bar from the top right corner of the screen, and over here just simply search for Hamster Combat. And when you are there, in the chat section, just simply click on play in one click. And as soon as you click on it, your Hamster Combat will be open in your mobile device. And as you can see that my account has been opened up in the Hamster Combat official website in the app. And after that, in order to use it, all you have to do is just simply collect coins in the while clicking on the this middle tab. And now you also have to install the Townkeeper wallet in your mobile device in order to withdraw money or in order to withdraw your coins from the Hamster Combat app. So just simply go to your Play Store again, and over here on the search bar, just simply search for Townkeeper. And after that, just simply install the application in your mobile device. And if you already have it, just simply open it and just log into your account in your Townkeeper wallet account using your credentials. And once you have both your Hamster Combat and your Townkeeper wallet installed in your Hamster Combat in your mobile device, all you have to do, just simply, first of all, you need to know what Hamster Combat is. So Hamster Combat is the latest sensation in the Telegram based gaming. It recaptures the excitement for the Notcoin clicker game with over 300 million players in 5 months since it has launched in March 2024. In Hamster Combat, you can play the hamster CEO of a Friction crypto exchange, aiming to boost your startup to the top of the industry. You achieve this by investing in marketing, license, talent, new products, and more. The game offers a unique mix of fun and strategy, with the promise of a token launch at when the airdrop will happen, and the open network, which is Townkeeper, that has been linked with Hamster Combat, adding an extra layer of excitement and potential reward for players. So basically, in the July 30, 2024, the game released the updated white paper detailing Hamster Combat tokenomics. The team also conferred plans the hamster airdrop, allocating 60% of the tokens total supply through airdrop to the game's player. So whoever is playing the game, the total distribution of the airdrop will be 60%, will be distributed amongst the player. However, at the time of writing, it has yet to confirm the exact timeline for the Hamster Combat token generation event and token launch date. So it is yet to be decided that which date and at what point in time the Hamster Combat airdrop will be launched. So you have to watch out for that. So there are some key features by the Townkeeper that has been linked with the Hamster Combat account that you should definitely know. So there is play to earn model that Hamster has been used. So there is earn Hamster coin by participating in the battle and completing the game task. And there is also daily combo that you can earn. So there are basically strategies and combos. When you click on the daily combo section from the screen, you can see that there are different tasks that you have to complete. So for example, when you click on the first one, it sees that you have to find the combo card below the pump, and you need to add up to that. And when you click on the middle of the screen, when you click on your first finger or one finger, you can see that there are single way of adding coins to your wallet. But if you start using your two fingers, you can see that there is the amount that has been adding into my coins has been doubled up. And likewise, there is daily combo promotions in which you can earn up to 5 millions in game coins by investing in specific daily upgradation. There is also NFT integration, which each hamster in the game is an NFT, allowing for trading and selling on the marketplace. So in the real world marketplace situation, manages a virtual cryptocurrency exchange monitoring real world crypto dynamics. And it is also a multiplayer mode which has intense combat actions, and you can also customize your options available with you. And you can also use referral system. There is also adorable hamster characters that you can use. So how do you play this game basically? In order to earn some coins that you can withdraw later on whenever the hamster airdrop will happen. So right now the correct information and the logical information is that you cannot withdraw any coin from your Hamster Combat account as of now, because the Hamster Combat has yet to announce their airdrop date, and as soon as their airdrop date has been announced, then you will be able to withdraw whatever coins that you have accumulated in your Hamster Combat account using your Townkeeper wallet, because Hamster Combat will be launching their airdrop and will be doing their airdrop in the Townkeeper wallet. So keep an eye on both the application, and also most importantly keep an eye on the Hamster Combat airdrop date or the launching date. So the gameplay has some basic rules. So you have to tap to earn, as I just told you earlier. So the core mechanism involved tapping on the digital hamster to mine hamster coins. The simple action forms the basis for this game, and the similar to the Notcoin and tap to earn game mechanism is also there. And you have to upgrade your exchanges. So use the hamster coins to earn your upgrade for virtual cryptocurrencies exchange. So just simply upgrades can increase your coin earning potential and unlock new features. So as you play Hamster Combat more and more, you can unlock many potential in the game itself. You can participate in daily combos, invest in a specific upgradation each day to earn specific bonus like 5 millions free in-game hamster coins. This is the kind of return that you can get while playing these daily combos and change. And after completing daily cipher missions, engage in daily cipher special mission to earn an additional 1 million coins daily. And your mission can vary from doing simple tasks to more complex challenges. You have to solve mini games puzzles. So there are basically different kind of market candles, and you can use the keys in order to solve those. So there are different earn more coins mechanism is also there. So the Hamster Combat mini game puzzle is a daily sliding puzzle challenging where players move red and green candlesticks. So as you can see in the last one here, you can see the green and red candles thing, and that indicator to the navigate to the golden key through an exit within 30 seconds. So completing the puzzle successfully rewards you with a key which may hold significant value or utility in the future, as it teases by the developers. So you can also boost and apply boost to increase your tapping productivity and raise the energy limit. This helps you earn coin faster, and Hamster Combat let you claim 6 free daily boosters to earn more coin. So yeah, so these are the basic things about the Hamster Combat. And about the withdrawing from your Hamster Combat and withdrawing money from your Hamster Combat or whatever coins that you have added or earned in your Hamster Combat, it really depends on the airdrop date. So you have to really watch out for the airdrop date of the Hamster Combat. And if Hamster Combat releases any white paper leading up to this airdrop, I will let you guys know and keep you posted. But as of now, you can't really withdraw money from your Hamster Combat or anything, or your coin or anything from Hamster Combat as of now. So yeah, so this is basically how this works as of now. And if there is an update in the future, I will definitely let you guys know and make a separate video about that as well. And yeah, I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. And I'll see you the next time.